Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm making this video on cue card and this is one of the important cue cards. Okay. Now let's see. Basically you wanted me to demonstrate some important cue cards and some sample answers for bench score 7, 8 or something like that. Okay. So the cue card is describe a time you used your cell phone. Used is past tense, right? Describe a time you used your cell phone or smartphone to do something important. Now there are several important things we do with the help of cell phone. So you can talk about any things. Like I'm going to talk about transfer, online transfer or online transaction I made through my app, mobile app and all that. Okay, mobile bank app and all that. Okay, so this is going to be in past tense. I'll speak in the past tense. Okay. Alright, although mobile phones have made our life more comfortable and convenient, yet there are certain problems we come across because of the mobiles. Anyways, today I would like to tell you one of the incidents where I did something crucial through my mobile phone. Basically, I wanted to travel to Dubai and that time the flights were really busy, seats were not available, and luckily in the middle of the night online I booked my seat. Now the second thing was payment, and they gave me only 3 hours to pay the money, and that was midnight and the banks were all closed and I didn't know what to do. And then suddenly it dawned upon me that I've got a mobile phone, right? And even at that time I had mobile app as well, but I had not used that app before. So I decided to use that mobile app which was connected with my bank to transfer the money for that ticket. So I took my mobile, I just logged into this app, I gave my password and all that, and within few minutes I was able to transfer the money to the air ticket agency, and immediately I got confirmation call from them as well. I was very happy. Basically they gave me only 3 hours deadline, and if I was not able to do that, most definitely I could lose my ticket. But anyways, because of mobile I did all the things without any problem. Now it's been more than a year since this thing took place, and after that I started using this app very regularly all the time, right? And it's not I didn't have any problem after that. So I think cell phones are very important. They have become an important part of our life, and sometimes there are many urgent and important things which we can do with the help of our cell phone. I felt great after that. You know, when my money was transferred and I got confirmation from the ticket agent, I did, oh yes, and I was so happy about it. Okay, thank you. So guys, did you notice I did not buy any ticket online? I did not use mobile app to transfer the money to the airline and all that. This was all exaggeration. You have to come up with some content for your cue card. You need to come up with some story, and then you can see what the topic is, what fits in the topic. And remember, it is not always important. It is not important to cover the cues. Main topic you need to cover. If you cover a couple of cues and if you miss a couple of cues, there is no problem at all. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button, and because of you guys I've got 1 million subscribers now. So I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.